Many students find themselves with the assignment of researching and writing about a controversial topic or current issue. This video tutorial will highlight several excellent library resources to help with such assignments. Whether you already have a topic in mind or haven't chosen one yet, an excellent starting resource is the In Context Opposing Viewpoints database. This database specializes in pro-con information on current social topics of interest. You can access it, along with our other databases, by clicking the green Research Databases button and finding its alphabetical listing. Those with the topic already in mind can use the keyword search box. For those who haven't chosen the final topic, the Browse Issues portion of Opposing Viewpoints contains hundreds of possible topics with detailed background information. Let's take a closer look at the Science, Technology, and Ethics category. Selecting self-driving cars as an example, you can see what a typical profile in Opposing Viewpoints looks like. Starting with an overview, the profile contains viewpoint resources, which are opinion pieces written by experts in the subject area that will usually take a stand for or against some aspect of the topic. The 12 featured viewpoints for this topic contain both pro viewpoints, such as self-driving cars are worth the risks, and con viewpoints, such as self-driving cars take the fun out of driving. Other sources available on the topic profiles include images, academic journal articles, videos, statistics, website links, and more. Another excellent resource for controversial topics is the Issues and Controversies database. It's very similar to Opposing Viewpoints in coverage and focus. Let's stick with self-driving cars as our topic and try a keyword search this time. Results may include articles, primary sources, court cases, and more. Each category can be further narrowed to a subcategory, such as pro-con articles, by the numbers, and chronologies. Another good resource for controversial issues is the CQ Researcher database. Continuing with our example, let's search for self-driving cars. CQ Researcher's comprehensive reports include detailed sections, including an overview, background on the topic, pro-con articles, and much more. The bibliography section may be a good place to look for other sources. For further help and resource suggestions, check out the library's Controversial Topics Research Guide, which is available in our guide collection. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to ask a librarian.